Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's morning show. So we are beginning from waiting Gabriel Jesus just talk, say about Palmeiras. Say in desire, now actually to return to Palmeiras and himself understands that Palmeiras wants him to come back home. But say him go reason with Arsenal, make them approve him. You get so that him go feel follow them, him go feel join them. Palmeiras, but let's take the reports on how it was put out. So they say Arsenal and Brazil forward Gabriel Jesus has again outlined his desire to return to former club Palmeiras in the future. I've never had contact with another club, and my desire, as I say, is to return to Palmeiras, and Palmeiras' desire is for me to return to. When I feel it's time to return, I'll decide that with Arsenal. Because Arteta, on the other hand, is not keen on him leaving while Kai Havertz and Gyökeres are not 100% fit and firing. Because make I no lie for you, you see all those things with me, I don't talk in the past about the World Cup, Gabriel Jesus himself know. Say the easiest way for Ancelotti to call him back now, if in they play regularly and firing on all cylinders. Now that time they go come call him, so yeah, come join the team. But without that, it's not really possible. And Arsenal they in a tight corner. Like for now, we never really know the future. Whether Gyökeres will come back for this our turbulence, so we'll get tough matches after international break, Spurs, Bayern, Chelsea, Brentford, and all those kinds of things. So, but for January, Sheikh Havertz go don come back the bar, Gyökeres go don the bar, then Arsenal will come dey spoiled with so much options to the point where they will say, okay, yeah, you can go now. So that one sef na something go dey on the cards, but we never really know. All our job now, we will continue to monitor and see how things go unfold at the end of the day. All right, so a special thanks to everybody that wished me congratulations on my graduation as I finished my studies. I completed my mass communication BSc studies at the National Open University of Nigeria. This was me at Victoria Island Center. You get where I was just doing a little video. So many people called me. Even somebody sent me 20 cases. Actually, please go something. Although it's I cannot mention the name, you get, but I say anyway, this money to bless me. May God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. Amen. You see that yesterday, people don't really understand how important that yesterday be for me. You know, say in my lifetime, I don't go through a lot. I've seen a lot. When I say go through a lot, I mean struggling on the streets of Ojuelegba, you get, many years back, early in my life, you get, with just SSC, working as a sales boy, you get. From there, I don't also for Ojuelegba, like, and that's Ojuelegba Ikeja. I don't do Ikeja. I don't do a lot of things. Those times, even if I did for shop self, if customer know the, I was always reading. I just love reading. So I was an avid reader. From there, I don't know, say, I'm master. I don't people say, this is why they read like this. I don't like this. I'm going to do for future. You get, so I don't really get that in the back of my mind. So that was why in 2017, I don't really waste time. I just go do GC, enter, collect my NECO. From there, I enter Yabatech. From Yabatech, I got my ND, National Diploma. I felt it was not enough. Diploma, ordinary national diploma. So, you know, it don't really make any sense. So I wanted to go further and back the BSc. Then it looked like far journey you get, because I finished the ND 2020, 21, you get, before I can start my journey of this BSc in 2022, 23. Look at where we are now. I don't back that BSc. And now I don't back myself. It's looking like it's not enough because masters, we have to do the masters, you get. So knowledge is key. I was very happy when one of our community members entered my DM and said, Sir CHUKS, you've inspired me. Now I want to go back to school. In fact, I would prefer that your own school because there is this flexibility where you can actually work and school. That was why I did very happy for now. It gives you that opportunity. So I've just do inspire that one person. My mission is accomplished. My body really suits me. So if maybe you are looking for a sign to go back, this is the sign. This is the sign. This is my message. Papa, go back. Some people, many of my friends will be so finished for ND that time. They say, it's too far. 3 years, 4 years, it's too far. Whether you go, whether you don't go, 4 years go pass. That is the logic people don't understand. You go, you don't go, you will be 4 years older with nothing. So if you have the opportunity, say God bless you, you get the money to pay the school because the school is not the year. Go pay and make it go. And as so myself, I just want to end my message, make I inspire some other elderly people. People don't die back like me, you get. People don't say, my age. Baba, if you get the opportunity, go and God bless you. All right, let's move forward with our message. Now, away from that. So, Bukayo Saka going to break silence on Arsenal injury worry. You know, say that match where England play against Serbia, there was a point where Saka they gave the bench sign. So a lot of people were thinking Saka get injury. But no understand this, Saka not really get injury. What's happened? We say in boots, he they disturb him, he just they uncomfortable with the boots. So he had to like give them sign, say, me I come like to change my boots. So now what's really happened? So they rock on the clear the air, say make Arsenal fans no worry. That Saka is very much okay. No be saying get any injury with the fear. Now, from my Kelly, from what I read, although Thomas Tuchel never give the approval, the England I think on that 21 coach, the reason say make them give him my Kelly. You get making user. You get because when you look at the report from this Football London, they say Tuchel reportedly believes Lewis Kelly shouldn't step back to feature for the England under 21, as he now views him as a senior player. You dey view him as senior player, but you know they give him game time. You say you no go play until they play regularly for Arsenal, which you know is somewhat impossible at the moment. Now, Lee Castley, will be the coach of the under 21 then, when they offer contrasting perspective when questioned about the prospects. Now, he's saying it's a situation that we will monitor, Castley said. With this camp, at the minute, we've got players that have been monitoring week in, week out, and Miles Kelly wasn't one of them because he was playing and training with the seniors. It's something we assess like a match. We would love to have Miles with us. I will communicate with Thomas and we will definitely come up with a plan for him. So I don't know what I want to say because some people look at like a step backward. But really, I don't really think like that because even playing him in England, they really they just fast track him. You get maybe it's one they said, although you go say they older than it's one, but it's one they play for that under 21. It's in good there. Some other people have any of it. Some other people say they play there. Where we say then they old enough to play for the national team. Go play there, conquer that place. You get when time reach because you're talking about the England national team players to choose from. Barely and no people make first 11. So no be beans. You get you're talking about a star-studded team with name. So you know what they really easy, but I don't know what to really think about the matter. For me, anywhere they say make him play, make him go play. So no be do or die affair. I do me I personally say. Now, there's something Crystal Palace are doing where people they talk about. So, Crystal Palace have made history by becoming the first English club to introduce a groundbreaking vision enhancement system for fans that have sight loss. Now, the VR headsets boosts users' remaining vision, allowing them to experience matches with remarkable clarity and detail. This is a brilliant initiative. So, many people don't allow Crystal Palace say they really try say it make a whole lot of sense. Well, that one said they now I watched this video. You get when they say ask them not to let person post their video, they'll knock you copyright free. Now I watched this video that was posted by the South Night. You see the Soha Realty Kini for there. Gabriel Jesus we ball with the black we ball. But dribble like 7-8 players, just the dribble. I don't know whether they tell them say maybe they don't really mark them strongly. Or maybe they don't give them that instruction. I ain't really they dribble them because show the dance. Baba, my hobby say when we come back from the international break and they put you do all these things, make you see them. Because when you see how this Twitter user posts this thing, say how he's doing this for a man who just returned back from injury, and he added crying emojis because it was unbelievable. The guy do the dance to know the weave. Baba, after the international break. Once they call you up, say make you come display. Do am. No believe for training because in the past, they they dance a lot for training. They dance. But when match starts, we know they see and do nothing. So, Baba, this is your opportunity because you now, at least, you will run there ahead in terms of fitness, ahead of the likes of Kai Havertz and Gyökeres. You will run there ahead of them because you don't do ready since, but they don't give you extra 2 weeks now to do more much sharper. You get. So when they come back, if you be saying that they go throw into the deep end, they can rescue us. We'll see how you go you will survive. But I think I seven talk and say Gabriel Jesus' profile is different from Gyökeres and it is different from Kai Havertz. The three of them get different profile. Now, ability is the one they explain how Arteta don't actually improve in games. So when I asked about the impact and both managers have on him, is it explained to ESPN? Personally, I would just say the level of intensity of form and being steps ahead in the game, understanding the game differently. I feel that is being to see things better and more clear. Of course, they are going to make me a better player from the way I think, from the way I operate. Both very intense, both very aware of the details, which is one of the most important things. It helps me. So if you talk about Tuchel and Arteta, two of them they really think alike, doing almost similar things. Well, that oneself not a good thing. You get to yourself go on win things with England, while Arteta go on win things with Arsenal. That oneself did. Now, based on what Bukayo Saka do against Serbia, and because you see, Saka has now scored 4 goals in his last 5 games for club and country, getting the lead for England for that match they played. So Mr. Wade very happy for him. No believe him. You know, say Saka and Easy, they actually scored in that game. Now, what they get statistics from ESPN UK, the last time England had 2 goal scorers on the same night was a familiar duo, Bukayo Saka and Smith Rowe. So now Saka and Easy don't actually replicate that same thing again. So they're very happy. And in fact, they say Easy don't score back to back for England now. Now, we could bring you a message from one of our sponsors, the Super Eagles Supporters Club of Nigeria. So they are calling you to come and join them, come and offer support to our darling Super Eagles. So if you're interested, you contact Prince Ademola Alawade on 08034215314. You get so they are also on IG and they are also on Facebook. Just Google Super Eagles Supporters Club of Nigeria. You get so search it on social media, you get their page and just follow them. So if you're interested, write down the number at the bottom of the screen to ensure so you contact Mr. Prince, and instead will let you know the modalities. Even somebody messaged me yesterday, say Alpha, I don't message, they don't tell them the thing, say Alpha making put this up. I say, go on, you are safe. Yeah. So Baba just run everything. Now, we could also bring you a message from another of our sponsor, Oga Uche. We get this Toyota RAV4 2007 model. This is an American spec, very nice car. So the 6-cylinder engine, 5-seat capacity. The mileage is 110,225 kilometers. Very affordable. Mr. Uche wants 10 million naira. So contact him on WhatsApp if you're interested on +2347038869667. The number is also at the bottom of the screen. Here are other pictures of the vehicle, and here's another picture of the car. So no waste time. If you're interested, get in touch with him ASAP on WhatsApp. Now, in the twist of events, Chelsea don't signify to Real Madrid say then they interested in signing Vinicius Jr. if push comes to shove. So they are ready to pay 132 million, which is about 150 million euros. So if this happens, Chelsea will have 3 Brazilian front 3, Vinicius Jr., João Pedro, and Estival. So well, me, I don't know whether this one Chelsea will really bring out that money. But if Vinicius come England or maybe mad, we'll see how he will fare, because England will be your mates. We'll see how he will fare. Now, for the Arsenal website, they also celebrate Bukayo Saka and Nkapi, as they did very well in the international games. They really represent their teams very well. Are they happy? My joy be say we never hear any bad news. Say, oh, this one don't get injury. Oh, that one do this one, that one do that. We never hear anything bad. So, and these were the games on that night. Where England beat Serbia. Let's say Portugal self lose. There's all those things. Now, when you look at today's games, you go see Spain self go play Georgia. It's normal. So this match, I just hope say Spain no go really get plenty problem. We no go hear any injury. Merino self go involved. Many go involved. No one hear any story. So my own prayer be that make everything just go very well for our players. We no one hear any bad news based on waiting there for our fronts. Yes, we no one hear any negative. Now, this Norway. So this is a golden generation for Norway according to TNT Sports Football. The Scandinavian side have qualified for the World Cup for the first time in 28 years. Can you imagine? How old be Odegaard? Odegaard only 28 years, which means I never experienced what they call World Cup, so their country involved. How old be Haaland? Haaland only 28 years. For you to, I give you context, the backgrounding of this particular story. And for the qualifying phase, they are unbeaten. People knock it 3-0. You get. So are they very happy for them? So at least for the first time in a long while, they are going to experience this World Cup. That I did very, very happy for them. All right, so let's bring you a message from another of our sponsors, Mobile Wealth Associates and Co Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Kennywood Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. So the biggest news of the day, now be the fact that Gabriel Jesus talk say in desire not to return to Palmeiras, and himself knows say Palmeiras actually wants him. So when that time reach, he go contact us and let them know what to be in plan. And us on the other hand, they no one make him go. It gets until Kayabat and Ukele is very, very fit. And with that being said, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and end. Like come your way later in the evening to give you the evening news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now game out. All right, guys. Ciao.